Hey everyone, today, we're diving into something truly revolutionary in the world of PC gaming. This is why you need the GIGABYTE AORUS C700 GLASS future of PC gaming. This isn't just another PC case, it's a game changer. AORUS C700 GLASS is pure cyberpunk art. Imagine stepping into a world where your gaming setup looks like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. But here's the kicker, it's not just about looks. The AORUS C700 GLASS is designed to house the most powerful components with ease. The AORUS C700 GLASS built for performance too. With advanced cooling systems, your C700 GLASS will stay cool even during the most intense gaming sessions. We're talking about serious cooling, storage, and connectivity options. It's designed to meet the needs of the most demanding gamers. First up, let's talk space. The AORUS C700 GLASS supports everything, and welcomes your powerful hardware with open arms and plenty of airflow. It's designed to keep everything running smoothly and efficiently, from mini ITX to eATX motherboards, giving you the freedom. And designed to keep your high-performance hardware cool, even when the game heats up. With pre-installed RGB and PWM fans, that's why you need the AORUS C700 GLASS PC case. Now let's talk RGB. I know, RGB isn't for everyone. Some people think it's just a flashy gimmick. But hold on, the AORUS C700 GLASS takes lighting to a whole new level with RGB Fusion 2.0. This is not just about colors, it's about creating an atmosphere. You can tailor every aspect to match your style. But wait, there's more. RGB Fusion 2.0 lets you sync your lighting with your games. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine your chassis pulsing with the rhythm of your favorite game. It's like your entire setup is alive and breathing with you. Or picture the lights reacting to in-game events like explosions or boss battles. The intensity of the moment captured in light. It's time to immerse yourself in the action like never before. With RGB Fusion 2.0, your gaming experience is not just visual, it's visceral. Let's face it, gamers demand the best, and doesn't disappoint. The AORUS C700 GLASS built to handle the most demanding hardware. We're talking top-of-the-line CPUs, monstrous GPUs, and let's not forget about connectivity, and enough RAM to make a supercomputer jealous. But power is nothing without control, state-of-the-art cooling system. Think multiple fan mounts, support for liquid cooling, and strategically placed vents for maximum airflow. The AORUS C700 GLASS storage options can hold more SSDs and HDDs than you could ever need. And let's not forget about connectivity. USB 3.0, USB 3.2 Gen 2, Type-C, HDMI and audio jacks. All right at your fingertips. On the front panel. No more fumbling around. The AORUS C700 GLASS is more than just a pretty face. It's a statement of power, precision, and passion for gaming. It's a commitment to performance, ensuring that every game you play is smooth, fast, and immersive. It's about creating a gaming setup that reflects your personality and passion, a space where you can truly be yourself. So, what are you waiting for? The future of gaming is here. Click the link in the description and get your GIGABYTE AORUS C700 GLASS today.